This is Ethyll, and he's a happy camper. I just wanted to show you the brand new spiraling leaves that are gonna open up in the next day. Here's an example of a brand new leaf. Look how fresh and pure and green they look. Ethyll's a happy camper for sure. I've been spritzing his leaves and then buffing them with coconut oil. It seems to really spruce him up. He becomes like a little dandy in the corner of the room, except that he's huge. He's literally half the size of my car, almost. I don't have a very big car.